My name is Dani, and I am a former middle and high school math teacher of 11 years. I've taught everything from fifth grade math all the way through AP calculus. So I have got quite the gamut of topics and love of math on my resume. So I'm making this channel not to make you fall in love with math, but hopefully you hate it just a little less. Right? That's the goal. Hate math just a little less. Okay. And I find that most students who struggle with math, they're not bad at it. You're just confused, right? And that confusion builds up over time. And then you get frustrated and shut down. You're like, wow, maybe I'm just not a math person, right? I get that from adults all the time when they're like, you're a math teacher? Yeah, I love being a math teacher. I love math, which is so nerdy. But no matter what career you go into, math is going to haunt you in some way. And know that hopefully I will also make you be a firm believer in the power of the Texas Instruments calculators. Okay. But here on Solve with Dani, we are going to start with Algebra 1 for the most part. I might go back into like 8th and 7th grade math to give you some pre-teaching to those current algebra topics. Then we're going to move into like some geometry and some other topics as this channel grows over time. But hopefully like we'll break it down step by step, one problem at a time. And as you're watching the videos, like feel free to pause it, hit rewind, pause again, like do all the things you need to do to understand it. And if you still feel like, Dani, I need like a part 2 to this video, like just comment it. Okay. Like I'm so open to feedback and suggestions. This channel is here to serve you as a growing mathematician, or maybe not a mathematician, just like a survivor of the course that you are in right now. All right. But just know you're not incapable. You are very capable. It just maybe hasn't clicked yet. Okay. And maybe like you missed some school back in like late elementary, middle school, when you miss some of those earlier fundamental lessons, like that can just snowball once you get to high school. Right. So hopefully we'll go back, make today's lessons make sense. Okay. So if you feel like you hate math, you're frustrated, you're overwhelmed, you're throwing the textbook against the wall, whatever. Don't throw the iPad against the wall if you're a virtual person, okay? But stick around, hit subscribe. I'm going to be releasing videos weekly, all right? Maybe even more so if I'm getting lots of, feedback and suggestions for more topics. But yeah, we are going to start fresh, all right, with Solved with Dani. So can't wait to work with you. Bye, everybody. See you soon.